Have you ever considered the importance of having a peaceful space in your home? A tranquil spot where you can relax, unwind, and meditate. Imagine a meditation garden, a haven of serenity right at your doorstep. Creating a meditation garden can be a simple and rewarding process. A meditation garden, at its core, is a serene and quiet place designed to promote peace and mindfulness. It's often a harmonious blend of nature's elements, like lush plants and soothing water features, alongside comfortable seating for relaxation. Each element is meticulously chosen and placed, working together to create a restful atmosphere that encourages reflection and tranquility. You can almost hear the soft rustling of leaves and the gentle burble of water, can't you? Now, how about we delve into the steps of creating one? Creating a meditation garden can be broken down into a few simple steps. First, select a location that feels serene and secluded, somewhere you can focus on your breath and thoughts. Next, choose plants and features that resonate with you. This could be a blend of vibrant flowers, lush greenery, or tranquil water features. Remember, your garden is a reflection of your inner self, so choose elements that make you feel calm and centered. Once you've gathered your plants and features, it's time to arrange your garden. Place larger features like trees or statues first, then fill in with smaller plants. Aim for a balance of color, texture, and height to create a visually pleasing space. Finally, maintaining your garden is an ongoing process. Regular watering, pruning, and care will ensure your garden remains a beautiful, peaceful retreat. And there you have it, your own peaceful retreat right in your backyard. A meditation garden is more than just a beautiful space. It's a sanctuary for your mind and soul. Remember, crafting such a tranquil spot at home is both simple and rewarding, bringing peace and serenity into your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas.